What is up, Old Souls fam? It's Saturday. We made it to another weekend. Nice. Got a pretty fun video today. Super hot in Nebraska today. Got up early. Got work done last night for Saturday because it's going to be like 110 here. Heat advisory. So, got the sprinklers going. Haven't mowed in like, I don't know, a week and a half. Craziness. Nothing's growing right now. But today we are unboxing a bunch of goodies that I've been waiting on forever. Everything's been delayed. All of our stuff's been delayed. Overseas packages have been delayed. Delays on everything. But this should be an exciting video. We got some bezel overlays to go over and 2 boxes worth of stuff. So, let's get into this one. Alright everybody, so first and foremost, we got some new bezel overlays and decals. We're switching over from our OldSols decals to these new circular OldSols decals. These will be super cool, I think. Nice and small, not too big, and super clean. So, pretty stoked for those. Look for those to be coming out up on the website here shortly, but I'm excited about those. Then we got our new bezel overlays, which we've been waiting on like forever. We have the OldSols rainbow bezel, which is super cool, I think. Looks really awesome. We have the yellow one. Yellow gold, you know. But I really like the look of that too. Those are really nice. I have this one. This is the OldSols logo in the rainbow, and you'll notice that this one has the cruise control on it. For all of us Del Sol owners lucky enough to have cruise control, I wanted to get a version of this open to everybody. So I'm going to be installing this one on my Del Sol just to see how this whole lines up with the cruise control. So we're going to do that today, but I like that one too. Super cool. And then we got the purple. I really like this purple too. It looks really fancy. So those are all coming up shortly. So look out for those. Let me flip this around here. Man, we ordered these back in April maybe, and they just got here, which is crazy. And it just took that long to get them made, get them sent over. The post office is just taking forever, so I'm sorry about that. And I needed to see them here first before I signed off to get the rest of them made. So, I mean, I'm hoping in a couple weeks they'll be back here. But regardless, we already had the original red, blue, gray, and green already made. So those are already on their way. So those will probably be up for sale first, and then we'll get these up for sale whenever they show back up. So we'll have all 8 variables hopefully within the next month up on the website. So that's kind of the plan for that, but we're super pumped and we're excited to see all those on your guys' Del Sols again and get all those out to whoever didn't get them the first time. So all right, let's get into some other goodies. All right, so this first box is from a guy in Greece. Met him randomly on Instagram, started chatting. I explained this in a previous video, but yeah, we just became good friends. We swapped like Honda parts, and I sent him over some stuff. This is some of the stuff that he sent me over. I already got some of the stuff installed, but part of what he sent over for me were my new seat belts. Oh, let me flip this up. Were my new seat belts, and they're brand new. They're all nice and shiny clean. They like actually work. But that was part of this box. So the other stuff that he got me were my Gather speaker covers. Super pumped for these. Been looking for these forever. These are in really nice shape. They're still not in perfect shape. So we're going to have to mask all this off, and we're going to respray this just because you can see there's some rusting going on in there just because these screens are metal. But overall, these are in pretty good shape. We're going to use this universal metallic black to respray them. This is the same color as I did my EM1 rims with, and as I did my door handles with the map lights. So I kind of got this theme going with this universal metallic black. I really like this color. I just found that it looks really nice. So we're going to be doing that, but those are going to be super awesome. They are much better looking than these guys that come with the US OldSols. So, love those. I'm so excited for those. So excited for those. Alrighty, next up, he had a friend in Greece make me some 3D printed seat belt housing covers, I believe is how he said it. But these are pretty cool. He 3D printed these parts. JP is the guy that made these. But what they do is they are made to cover like this area on your seat belts. You're probably asking, well, you're not going to see them. I understand that, but it's just kind of something cool that I'll know is there and is just a cool 3D printed project and part that can be made. And I just thought it was really cool. So we're going to put those together. We're also going to paint them the universal metallic black, and then we're going to paint the little OldSols in here. So I'll know they're there. I didn't ask for these. This was just kind of a little bonus piece that got thrown in, but super cool nonetheless. I really like things like this, especially 3D printed stuff, because the possibilities are just kind of endless. So that's really cool. All right, next one I'm super pumped about. These are European aux headlights or US fog lights, but they're glass and they're made by Stanley. So why I wanted these is because my OldSol didn't come with these aux lights when I bought it, so I bought these yellow ones, but they're plastic and I'm kind of over them. I just don't like the plasticky-ness of these eBay auxiliary lights. So these are going in its place, which I'm super pumped about. They just look more OEM. So the only caveat is these are going to be H4 bulbs, which are essentially headlights, which I guess will be nice because they'll be bright as shit. But I am going to have to source some new lights for these. But that's okay. I'm super pumped about those. Just the fact that they're glass. They might be a little more brittle, and they can possibly crack, whereas these probably wouldn't crack and are probably more durable, but it's just one of those things that I wanted and I'm super pumped about. So that's exciting. All right, this is what I was super pumped about. Been trying to find some of these forever and not spend like, oh, I got a little smudge on the lens here. Trying not to spend $500 on these is really hard. Pretty tough. and I passed up on a lot of these because of how expensive they were. But I finally found some for a really good price. Alrighty, so I haven't seen these yet, so they look like they were in good shape, but I'm not sure if they're in good shape. But I'm pretty pumped about them. They're packaged super good, as you can see. So props to you, buddy. Oh, I got some JDM one-piece headlights, and I've been waiting on these suckers for a super long time. Let me get them out and up on the tool bench here, and we'll crack these bad boys open. I hope these are in really good shape. They look like it. They haven't been used in a long time. These were a set that a guy had on his Del Sol when he had his Del Sol, and he doesn't anymore. And he told me they just needed to be kind of buffed and coated just to bring them back to life, but otherwise they should be in mint shape, so that's exciting. All right. Oh, I'm so excited to see them. Super package though. Nice. Those actually look to be in really good shape. I just, there's a little bit of smudge on them there, but nothing we can't buff out. Looks like everything's there. There's actually headlights in it. Bonus! You can see Stanley right there. Man, those are awesome. They got all the clips. They just look used, and that's it. Nothing missing. Oh, super, super exciting though. Man, those look super nice. All right, let's get that other one open. So this one looks to be in even better shape than the other one did, which is awesome. But both of these still have the rubber seal on them. And these even came with some little extra rubber somethings on them, which I'm not sure what those are. But yeah, came with the headlights and everything. No chips, no scratches, no nothing. They just got to get buffed and redone. So that's super great. Man, what a haul, huh? That's some good stuff there. Can't complain about any of this stuff though. JDM one-piece headlights, Euro auxiliary lights, Gathers speaker covers, some 3D printed stuff. Got some seat belts in there already. That's a good score. I like it. A lot of stuff that I've been waiting on buying to find the right price and not spend an arm and a leg on. I finally found them. So, I'm super pumped about that. We're going to be redoing a lot of stuff with some Meguiar's Ultimate Compound. Then I've got some Chemical Guys Jet Seal for some UV protection. We're going to be treating both of those with that and painting these with that and getting them all on the car. So that's what I'm doing this weekend. When it's not like the center of the sun outside in the garage, that's what we're going to be doing though. So I will probably cut this vlog off here and pick up another vlog when I start installing all this stuff and working on spray painting and whatnot. But super pumped, guys. The OldSols coming together for me. These were kind of the last big ticket items that I wanted, that I keep spending money on stuff besides painting my OldSol. I think I'm done. I think I'm done painting. I'm done spending money on stuff that I need, and I should be able to focus on saving up money to paint the car now. So that's super pumped. That's super pumped. I'm super pumped. I need some water. Need to set up my little paint area. Need to start taping. Need to start buffing, doing all that business. But yeah, super, super, super awesome. All right, guys. Check you on the next vlog of me working on all this. Peace.